Okay, today we're going to do a seafood boil. So we've got our large pot and burner with basket, plenty of fuel, ice chest with some ice. We've got a bunch of crawfish here and a second ice chest, which is good if you want to separate your vegetables and stuff afterwards. Hey, after bringing the crawfish home, we've been leaving them in this tub with water, and we exchange the water several times. So every half an hour or so we dump the water out, and we'll keep doing that until the water is clean. We want to get them all purged out. The very last purge before you're ready to cook them, you can sprinkle salt in, and that makes them get out anything else they've got left. And rinse them. If you're going to use your hose bib, which most of us do, it's kind of nice to use one of these RV filters to clean up the water a little bit, because you will be eating what cooks in it. 3 lemons, 3 oranges, 1 whole clove of garlic peeled and ready to go, 2 cups of the Zatarain's crab boil that we'll use. We use one of the spice bags, which has like fennel and a bunch of other interesting coriander and stuff in a bag, 3 corns in thirds, 3 onions, 6 or 7 red potatoes, 1 box of brown mushrooms, 2 Burton sausages cut up into about 1-inch pieces, 1 pound of green beans, 1 full jar of baby whole dills and all the juice. The spice bucket and 2 cups of this.
Yep. All right. Okay, so we put the crawfish and the shrimp line.
A little bit of seasoning on the salt. Taste it. Good? Yeah. Done? All right. They're at the perfect cook temperature. I want to stop the cooking right here and right now. Okay, we'll give it a couple minutes and then we'll pull them out. All right, so we've got a little steam here still. But this is perfect. Watch this. This shrimp. It's got a crunch. But it's still piping hot. Perfect. Now we'll put them back in the tub and just melt off the ice. Now we'll just let the hot liquid take care of the ice for us. Okay, our ice is all melted off. So now we'll take our okay, throw your cube of butter in there.
Right there. All right.